Hey babies, welcome back to my channel. So if you follow me on Insta, you know that I'm pretty much known for doing all kind of crazy looks, but lately I have been raving about these soft glams. I especially love this kind of look because it is perfect for any time of day, any event. It's super quick to do and it doesn't really take any skills or technique to learn how to do it. So let's get right to it. I'm taking my Juviasplace, the Nubian palette, and I'm taking that darker brown shade to apply that carelessly all over my lid. And then I'm going in with some concealer just to make my shimmers pop. And then going in with that really bright shimmer shade. I'm just going to apply that carelessly all over my lid. And I'm doing the same thing with that bronzy shimmer shade just to give it a little more dimension. Now moving on to the face, I'm taking one of my favorite foundations, which is Maybelline Fit Me in the shade Spicy Brown. And then I'm going in with some concealer. This is my LA Girl in the shade Toffee. I didn't always cream contour, but I did find that it gives you a much more natural skin-like flawless finish. So I went in with this Wet n Wild foundation stick and I'm going to use that to cream contour and snatch my nose. Disclaimer, I did get a little crazy when it came to the setting powder, okay? So for beginners, I do not recommend using as much product because you can experience things like flashback if you're not really skilled when it comes to technique. Also, it's important to remember a little bit truly does go a long way. After I used my Black Radiance contour kit to go over that cream, I just went in with my Crayon case Glowden highlighter. This highlight is bomb, as you guys can see. Yeah. And then I'm using that to highlight all the high points of my face, sing a little song, start feeling myself, because at this point in my routine, I'd be like, okay, bitch, where we going? And then to give my eyes a little more dimension, I went in with that brown shade and some Essence mascara. You guys can see what a huge difference this set makes. So I just went in and highlighted my inner corner, and then I'm taking my NYX lip pencil and I'm using that to outline, and my Beautiful Nightmare Cosmetics lipstick in nude pink, which is almost gone because I love this shit so much, and some clear gloss for my lips. And then my Covergirl Activewear Setting Spray. This spray is bomb. And this is the finished look. Super easy, right? And super quick to do. Thank you all so much for watching. I really hope you guys found this video to be helpful and beginner friendly. So let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.